Hello there, David. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our beautiful space of learning. Today, my heart is just overflowing because we are talking about a topic that is like a warm hug for the soul. Friends.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting all day for this. To me, the word friend feels like sunshine. I want to know everything about how to talk about these special people in English.
That is the perfect way to start. Sunshine. You see, David, a friend isn't just someone you know. A friend is a treasure. In English, we often say a true friend is someone who is there for you through thick and thin.
Through thick and thin. That sounds so strong. Does thick mean the good times and thin mean the difficult times?
Precisely. You are so sharp. It means they stay by your side when life is easy and when life is very, very hard. Can you imagine having someone like that in your life?
Yes, I can. I have a friend from my childhood. We have shared so many secrets. Thinking about him makes me feel grounded. Is that a good word to use?
Oh, David, that is a magnificent word. Grounded. It means they keep you steady. You are using such deep English already. It reminds me of my best friend, Sarah. We can talk for hours about nothing at all, and yet I feel so full of joy afterward. That is just incredible. I want to describe that feeling. When you talk for a long time and the time just disappears, what do we call that? We say that time flies. When you are with a kindred spirit, that's a beautiful old-fashioned term for a perfect friend. Time simply flies because your hearts are so connected.
A kindred spirit. I love the sound of those words. It feels like our souls are singing the same song. Emily, how do I tell a friend that I appreciate them?
You look them in the eyes and you say, I truly cherish our friendship. To cherish something is to protect it and love it because it is so valuable. I truly cherish our friendship. Oh, that feels so powerful to say. It is much more than just saying you are a good friend. Yes, it carries so much weight. You know, David, sometimes we meet people who are just acquaintances. That's a long word, isn't it? It means someone you know, but not deeply.
Acquaintance. It sounds a bit cold compared to friend. Is it okay to have many acquaintances but only a few true friends?
Oh, absolutely. It is very natural. Think of your life like a garden. The acquaintances are the many flowers, but your best friends, they are the deep, strong roots of the trees.
What a beautiful metaphor. The roots of the trees. You make me want to call all my friends right now and tell them how important they are.
That is the spirit. That is exactly what language is for. It is a bridge between my heart and your heart. Can you imagine the world if we all told our friends how much we loved them?
It would be a much brighter place. But Emily, what if I am shy? What if I am afraid to reach out? Is that the right phrase?
Yes, reach out. It is a brave thing to do. But remember, David, every best friend was once a stranger. All it takes is one hello and a little bit of kindness.
Gratitude. Every best friend was once a stranger. I will remember that forever. Thank you for giving me the words to express what is in my heart.
Oh, David, you are such a wonderful student. Your enthusiasm is a gift to me. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar. It's about connecting with the world.
I feel so motivated. I am going to practice these words today. I am going to cherish my friends and reach out to someone new.
Yes, go forth and shine, David. You have the heart of a poet and the spirit of a true friend. I am so, so proud of you. Hello, hello, my wonderful and brilliant student, David. Today, my heart is just overflowing because we are going to talk about the most beautiful topic in the entire world. Are you ready to dive into the word relationship?
Oh, Emily, hello. I have been looking forward to this all day long. My heart is beating fast because I know this is a big, important word. I am so ready to learn.
Oh, it is more than just a word, David. It is the very fabric of our lives. When we say relationship, we are talking about the magical connection between two people. It is like an invisible golden thread that ties us together. Can you feel the weight of that?
A golden thread. Wow, that is a stunning image, Emily. So it is not just about being near someone, it is about the connection itself.
Exactly. Oh, you are so intuitive. You can have a relationship with a parent, a brother, a friend, or even a pet. It is about how we interact, how we share our souls, and how we grow together.
That is just incredible. It makes me think, can a relationship be like a garden? You have to water it, right?
Oh, David, what a magnificent metaphor. Yes, a relationship is exactly like a garden. If you do not nurture it, that means to care for it and help it grow, the flowers will wilt. You must give it the sunshine of your time and the water of your kindness.
Nurture, I love that word. It sounds so soft and caring. But Emily, what happens when there is a storm in the garden? You know, when things get difficult.
That is such a deep question. In English, we call those challenges. A strong relationship isn't one that never has problems. It is one where two people hold hands tightly and walk through the rain together. It requires trust. Can you say that word with me? Trust. 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 It feels like a very strong, solid word, like a foundation for a house. Yes, exactly. Without trust, the house cannot stand. Oh, that reminds me of a story. I once knew two friends who didn't speak the same language at all, but they had the most beautiful relationship because they listened with their hearts. They used empathy. Empathy. I have heard that word before. Does it mean feeling what the other person feels? Beaming with pride. You are a star, David. Yes, empathy is the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes. It is saying, I see you, I hear you, and I care about how you feel. Isn't that just the most powerful thing you've ever heard?
It really is. It makes me want to go out and be a better friend right now. Can you imagine a world where everyone practiced empathy in their relationships? It would be a different world entirely.
Gently and emotionally. It truly would. And David, I want to tell you something very important. The most vital relationship you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. You must be kind to David, too. The relationship with myself. I never thought about it that way before. I should nurture my own heart just like a garden, shouldn't I? Yes, 1,000 times yes. When you are full of love for yourself, you have so much more love to give to others. It is like a cup that overflows.
Oh, I see it now. My cup overflows and then I can share that chemistry and bond with everyone else. Those are relationship words too, right?
With dramatic praise. Look at you go. Chemistry and bond. You are using such advanced, beautiful vocabulary. A bond is that deep, strong attachment, and chemistry is that special spark when two people just click. Click, like a key in a lock. This is so exciting, Emily. I feel like I am learning more than just English. I am learning how to live a better life. That is the secret, David. Language is just a bridge to connect our hearts. And today, our relationship as teacher and student has grown so much stronger. I am just so proud of your progress. Thank you, Emily. Your encouragement means the world to me. I feel so motivated. I am going to practice these words and think about my golden threads all day long. Wonderful. Go out there and shine, David. Remember, be kind, be patient, and always, always listen with your heart. You are doing amazing. I will. Thank you for this beautiful lesson, Emily. I can't wait for our next conversation. Goodbye for now. Goodbye, David. Keep nurturing your garden. See you very soon.